Namaskaram. Today I am going to take you directions in Tamil. Directions in Tamil. See, for directions in Tamil it is called Disaigal. See, I written like this. D Sai Ga Il. It is called Disaigal. In Hindi also we say Disha. So this is Disaigal. The English are written Thisaigall written. Okay, to give this pronunciation ill. So love. So Disaigal is in Tamil is called directions. So let us see now. I have drawn this small map to show the different directions. See, this is north, this is south. In the north we find Himalayas. South we find Cape Comorin, Kanyakumari, and west is our western coasts, Arabian Sea, and east find Chennai and Bay of Bengal and all. So there are subordinate directions like northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Then magnet always on the base of north-south only directions. So now let us always know, whenever we go to any place, we find the first direction east, where sun rises. So let us go on the basis of that. For east, this is east and this is west. For east, we say in Tamil as Kidakku. K-I-Z-H are written because this R is special letter in Tamil. It's called Ki-R-I-K-U, Kidakku. And once again telling you, K-I-Z-H-A-K-K-U are written. Means Ki-R-I-K-U. So Kidakku. For east we say Kidakku. Then for west, it is called Merku. Bigger me. Merku. I written in English as M-E-R-K-K-U. Just for the pronunciation. Merku. M-A, Me, this here, this is Ku. West. For west we say Merku. Then for north, in Tamil we call it Badakku. It's Ba, Da, Ik, Ku. Badakku. Ba, V, A, D, A, K, K, U. I'm repeating once again. Ba, Da, Ik, Ku. Means north. Now we are coming to south. For south we say it is Terku. T-H-E-R-K-K-U. See, it is like this. This is Te, this is Ir, and this is Ku. So Terku. Te, Ir, Ku. Terku. In English written T-H-E-R-K-K-U. Terku. Now we will go see, once again repeating. For east we say Kidakku, and for west we say Merku, and for north we say Vadakku, and for south we say Terku. And now the subordinate direction, this is northeast. So see, there is always, when we join together, we make some easy way of pronunciation. So you know that already north is Vadakku and east is Kidakku. Instead of saying Vadakku Kidakku for northeast, we use it in a short way as Vadakku Kidakku. See, Vadakku Kidakku means northeast. This is Vadakku means north, east is Kidakku. So when we combine northeast, we say Vadakku Kidakku. The same way, northwest, north is Vadakku and west means Merku. So we pronounce it as Vadamerku. Once again, for northwest we say as Vadamerku. In short. Now we come to the direction southeast. You know, already south I taught you that is terk. So the combination of along with that east, for east again kiழக்கு. So when we combine the southeast, in short we say that instead of தெற்கு கிழக்கு, we say தென் கிழக்கு. So southeast shortly called as தென் கிழக்கு. It's called தென் கிழக்கு. This is a special letter, I and Ku. Now we are coming to southwest. You know already south, I told you, is called Terku in Tamil. And you know west is called Merku. But when we combine the southwest, in short we say south and southwest, we call it as Ten Merku. This te, this in, and this ne, this ir, this ku. See, I am once again repeating this. Subordinate direction. This is northeast, we say Vadakizhakku, and northwest we say Vadamerku, and southeast we say Tenkizhakku, and for southwest we say Tenmerku. Now we'll find out the other directions. Top. For top, we say in Tamil, Mele. Up or top. Mele, M-E-L-E. See, in Tamil it stands for Mele, means top. Now for bottom, it is called Kide. K-I-Z-H-E written. In Tamil it is written the Ki. Re, this bigger key, and re. Ki, re is bottom. Then comes left, your left direction. It's called idadu. E, da, tu, written in English. In Tamil it's called E, da, tu, idadu. E, da, tu, idadu. Now we are coming to right direction. Baladu. B-A-L-A-T-H-U. Baladu. And once again repeating. For top we say Mele. For bottom we say Kide. Then for left we say Idadu, and for right we say Valadu. Then other directions. Then for front, we say Munne, M-U-N-N-E written. This is Mu, In, Ne. Mu, In, Ne. Munne. It is also called Munnal. Mu, In, Na, Il. You can say whichever way. Either Munne or Munnal. Both are okay. So for front we say Munne or Munnal. Then for back, it's called Pinne, P-I-N-N-E written. P-in-ne, Pinne. It's also called Pinnal, P-I-N-N-A-A-L. P-in-na-il. So I'm repeating once again. For front we say Munne or Munnal, and for back we say Pinne or Pinnal. Then we are coming to center portion, middle portion. It has got two names, or Naduvil. We say in Tamil it's called Naduvil. Naduvil. See, na, do, vi, il. That is dot. So it's called Naduvil, means center. Another name, it is also having another name called Madhiyil. Maddiyil written. This is Madhiyil. Ma, it, ti, I, il. Ma, it, ti, I, il. It's also called Madhiyil. So center has got two names, either Naduvil or Madhiyil. Then we are coming across, direction across. It is called Kurukke. K-U-R-U-K-K-E written in English. Ku is Ru is Ik. K. Ku, Ru, Ik, K. Kurukke. We are coming to other direction called opposite direction. Somebody is coming opposite to you. This is called Edire. Sometimes we say that we are searching somebody, but he himself is coming before us. Avan in Edire vandit, like that. So it is called Edire. So opposite is called Edire. E-D-H-I-R-E. In Tamil it is called E-D-Re. Edire.
Okay.
Now the 18th direction is inside. For inside we say Ulle. U-I-Le. See, once again, written as U-L-E. This U is I-Le. Ulle. Then for outside, it's called Veliye. V-E-L-L-I-Y-E. In Tamil it's written Ve-Li-Ye. Once again see. Ve-Li-Ye. Veliye means outside. Now for the corner there is two names. Either we say Kodi. And the Kodi video means that's a corner room we say. So like that Mule. Mule is also the Mule video we also say. There is in two ways we can mention this corner. So this Kodi. Kodi. See K-O-D-A written in English. So you have to pronounce it as Kodi. And Mule. Mule is other name. M-O-O-L-A written in English. See this Tamil Mu bigger one and Lai. This one called Lai. Mu Lai. Mu Lai.
It's okay.
Now I am going for the other small topic called taste. You know, everybody knows a taste. It is also called Ruchi. In Tamil also it is called Ruchi. But in English you have got only 5 tastes. But in our literature and all, we find 6 types of taste. So that is why Aru Chuvai, 6 types of taste called in literature we say Aru Chuvai. I written in English Aru Chuvai. Is A, Ru, Chu, Vai means 6 tastes. This Ruchi. 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 This written like this in Tamil. Now here in literacy, in the literal word, in our literature we say Aru Chuvai. Means 6 tastes. Aru tastes. Aru means number 6. So in short, when we are telling, we say Aruchuvai. Instead of Aruchuvai, we say Aruchuvai. Now let's go for a taste, different types of taste. First one is sweet, which is called Inippu in Tamil. INIPPU written. In Tamil it is written E, this is Ni, and this Ip, and this is Pu. So once again, E, this E, Ni, Ip, Pu, Inippu means sweet. Then comes bitter. It's called Kasappu, Kasappu. In Tamil it is written as Ka, Sa, Ip, Pu, Kasappu. See, for sweet, we can give some examples like fruits, mango, banana, even chini and jaggery. All those things are sweet. Sugar cane, everything is sweet. Bitter. Bitter means, Karela. So that is a bitter taste. Bitter gourd. So that's called Kasappu. Ka-sa-ip-pu. Kasappu. Then comes some pungent taste. It's called Karpu in Tamil. See, everything ends with a pu. That is the beauty here. So Karpu. This karam also we say. Rumba karama irukku. Means, very hot, chili. So pungent. So it's called Karpu. Ka, ir, ip, pu. Chili is hot. That's an example for that. And the fourth one is sour. It's called Pulippu in Tamil. Pu, li, ip, pu. Sour. Pulippu. P-U-L-L-I-P-P-U. Pulippu. Pu, li, ip, pu. Pulippu. Means tamarind is Pulippu. Even lemon is also Pulippu. These are all the examples. And now let us come for the fifth one as salty taste. It's called, see, in Tamil, Uppu means salt. So that's why it's called Uvarpu. U-V-A-R-P-P-U. Uppu, from Uppu it comes as Uvarpu. Like that here, the Pulippu means it comes from Puli means tamarind in Tamil. So it's called Pulippu, sour. Here, salty, so Uvarpu. U-Va-Ir-Ip-U, Uvarpu. Now there is a sixth taste. Actually, it's not found in English. Actually, in our literature, now we are telling that is sixth taste. This is a mixture of 2-3 tastes, like lychee. All those things are. Even a banana, plantain tree, that is a fruit, pink fruit. That is also having 2-3 tastes. So those are the mixture of different tastes. It's called Tuvarpu. It's a mixture of 2-3 tastes. It's called Tuvarpu. T-H-U-V-A-P-P-U. Tuvarpu. Here one R is required. Okay. Tuvarpu. Tu va ir ippu. Tuvarpu means mixture of 2-3 tastes.